Most companies don't have an AI problem, they have a stuck problem. Stuck on platforms that need more engineers than outcomes. Stuck reporting on what already happened. Stuck running AI pilots that never ship. And the business doesn't wait. So the question isn't if you switch, it's how fast and whether it actually moves the P&L. Make the switch. Make the switch to Snowflake. From complexity to the AI data cloud. From static reporting to Snowflake intelligence. From endless experimentation to production AI that actually gets used. Make the switch to ONESTREAM. From disconnected, over-engineered finance processes to one unified platform. From manual work and long closes to faster, smarter decisions that actually drive the business. Because switching platforms is easy to talk about, proving it impacts your P&L and makes you more effective in your role, that's where most teams stay stuck. That's where we come in. We'll be in 2 places to prove it. ONESTREAM Splash, Orlando, May 18th through the 20th, and Snowflake Summit, San Francisco, June 1st through the 4th. If you're serious about making the switch, come find us. And yeah, we'll have a few switches waiting for you.